Institute. We're in one of the studios here recording a string quartet today. Me and my classmates have prepared some music for them to play. It's going great so far. I'm still ready to go. Super impressed by it. It's a great experience seeing how our scores come to life in this place. The nuance and the player's interpretation of the scores just brings life to it.
So my students from Orchestration for Film wrote several compositions. Some of them are for film, some of them are their own creations, and we have the opportunity here to record some beautiful music with the Bristol Ensemble, and the work has been splendid. Yeah, the benefit is that they get the opportunity to work with real life performers, and also main thing as well, like work with real instruments. In today's world, technology allows us to use all the VST instruments, which are superb, but having the experience to work with real life players and get that opportunity is definitely one of the greatest things they can have.
It was pretty amazing because you get so conditioned listening to virtual instruments all the time, and to hear it sort of the nuances of live players is just something you never get to hear, and to that standard as well, it was just it's pretty special.
It's just completely different to having it virtually. It's just a whole other level of expression, really, and the performers are so professional, they can just get it. I don't really have to explain anything, and yeah, they're really helpful. It's just a really valuable experience working with live musicians.
Hearing my composition was quite cool. Compared to working on a DAW and listening back to that, it's so different, and it's really natural, and it's in the flesh live music, which is kind of what being a film composer is all about. The fact that we have that at DBS is quite cool. Yeah, so writing the scores and notation is quite useful, and it's what a composer has to do anyway. So, and then having to prepare those correctly in order for them to be able to read it is quite important and quite a valuable skill to learn as a composer at DBS.